Hello guys, my name is BM Africa, a typical village boy born and raised in Kenya. Welcome to another video. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share, and that's the only way you can support BM Africa. So right now I just want to lit the fire, then after that maybe wanna go and do another today's maybe today we're going to make tallow, make fire, make tallow, make fuel from the cow fat, right? So enjoy the video until the end. So we are lighting the fire, guys. So I'm back. I was going to take some okay, this is a calabash and this is for storing milk. This is for storing milk, so I have to get my milk. You just put it here. You guys can see this is milk from the cow. So we get milk from the cow, we get fat from the cow, we get medicine from the cow. Cheers. Cheers, family. I just want to show you the progress. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So, try to show you. See? This is the oil. You see? Oil from the cow fat. Wow, guys, what do you think about this video? Okay. All right. Yeah. So we have made the oil from this, this cow fat. Yeah. So we have made the oil. Let me show you the oil. This is how the oil look like, guys. And this is the leftovers after we have cooked. And this is my calabash. So I was drinking some milk here. Wow, I don't know if I can show you guys. Let me show you. Yeah. So this is the milk. Wow. Now put the calabash there and you can drink the milk. You can drink the milk. Yeah. It's time to drink milk. Cheers. It's over. So we get milk from the cow, we get fat from the cow, and we thank God for each and every time that we always wake up and do something. Okay, so I'm still improving, and I can't wait to show you more and more videos, man. after preparing everything, now it's time to put the oil. Let me show you the oil we made from. Oh, that's our oil. Yes, I don't know if you can see. This is the oil we made from this. And this is the leftovers. It's just like this one, but this is ready to be eat. You can eat. And also our oil is just here, so maybe we can give it some time so that you can see, right? Wow, our oil then. Yeah, and this is our fire. This yeah, wow, it's amazing. So guys, like I told you guys, everything we do, we just do it for a reason. Now we get fat from, I just want to show you how pastoralist community of the Maasai people get fat, oil, cooking oil from, because we have also to cook for using cooking oil, but I just want to show you this. This is how we do it. So this is the oil you can cook. Yeah, it's amazing. Look at that. This one is dry now. Wow, very nice. So fire. Wow, look at that. So we have made the oil from this, this cow fat. Yeah, so we have made the oil. Let me show you the oil. This is how the oil look like, guys. And this is the leftovers after we have cooked. And this is my calabash. So I was drinking some milk here. Wow, I don't know if I can show you guys. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is the milk. Wow, now put the calabash there and you can drink the milk. You can drink the milk. Yeah.